people in Duluth, there's a storm coming. Winter storm coming. You have to run to your homes and be safe. It's gonna start raining and then it's gonna turn in snow and ice. Roads are gonna be slippery. Go slowly. You have to wear sunglasses. No. Watch other drivers are doing. Wipe their water and snow off by using their windshields. And build your own shelter that's built. Let's head outside. This is a tutorial on how to get dressed for a winter storm. Put on my snow pants. This is how you do this. This is how we put on our jackets. This is how we put on our hat and gloves. And it's raining outside. People, it started. This is how you put on your boots. These are my mom's and I forgot mine at school. I quit. I'm quitting. Okay, I'm back. This is advice from an 8-year-old.